Good morning, guys. So today we are going to install my new coilovers. I bought MeisterR coilovers. It's an Australian coilovers. I'm super excited. Here it is. Super nice. The quality is just amazing. So we're gonna install this today. I've never done it before, but I'm pretty sure it should be easy. I know there's one bolt in the bottom and then 2 bolts on the top. So we'll see how it goes. Shouldn't be that hard. Guys, so I finally took off the old one. It's super rusty. Here's the difference between the two. Major difference. So I'm super excited. Let's lower this thing down. Here's another look of the MeisterR and then the stock GTR suspension. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. You can see, pretty good. I like it. And then now we're gonna do the other side. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. I could put one finger, perfectly fine. I know I'm probably gonna have to raise it up just a little bit, but I'm super happy with this. And this came out like this out of the box. So, super happy with it. And then now we're gonna do the back side. Alright guys, so for the back, we have, you're gonna go to the trunk, you're gonna take 2 bolts up on the top, and then there's one big one right here as well. And that should be the whole thing for the back. Alright guys, so everything's done. Took me a little longer than usual because I just don't have enough tools here in my house. But we got all 4 sides done. It's super low and my driveway is very steep, so I know I'm gonna scrape. The backside looks really good. Yeah, you can barely fit a finger in there. We're gonna go get an alignment today but everything looks good. I'm gonna pull the car out and then I'll give you all a better view. So this is how she looks now. It is super low. It looks super nice. And I know for sure I'm gonna scrape right here. But we'll see. Unfortunately, we were unable to get an alignment for the GTR. But we'll come back on Wednesday. But for now, the car's just gonna be here. I won't be driving it. I was supposed to go to a car show tomorrow, but we're gonna miss that out. Till next time.